Hi folks, I hope everyone is keeping well, and a reminder that I will be hosting 3 upcoming guided meditation sessions that will be happening online before the year is out. There's a lot going on right now, and we are moving into the next part of the year. Wherever you are in the world, we're all going through lots of transition, shift, change, and we are not immune to the pressures of modern living. So this is an opportunity and a space for you to carve out some time for relaxation, for restoration, for reflection. Those are the themes of the upcoming sessions, and they will run for an hour. You will have access to recordings, audio recordings after the sessions are finished for you to keep. And these will take the format of non-denominational and focused on moving through an internal journey of self-exploration. So there will be invitations for you to engage with exercises, tools, visual aids for you to construct your experience as you go through and participate in that. But it's very much down to your personal intention and how you feel you best respond to that space, where there's a chance for you to be quiet and sit quietly and have someone facilitating and holding that space for you. So I will be vocally guiding that space and offering prompts for you to move into internal explorations of self-inquiry. So if that feels like that is something that would be supportive for you at this time, then I encourage you to book your space as soon as you can. As I say, limited numbers for this so that it will be a nice intimate group, and that will be able to hold a quality of listening space, and also to be responsive for any questions that come up during that time as well. So there will be an interactive element to these live sessions that will be running on Zoom. And yeah, I'd really love to see you there. So the booking link you'll find through the website, and I'll pop that in the comments below. Take care.